Hey, how's it going? I want to play a song for you. This is called The Sound of Falling Snow. For the city folk who never know the sound of falling snow, they only judge the season by those colors in the shop windows. So brightness in the wooded land that penetrates the armor of your soul. Earth speaks golden whispers to the hearts of those with room to grow. So I try to bend in the wind, 'cause ignorance will only break you in the end. Only break you in the end. Dark side of a mountain, there's a poplar standing old and wise. He's a keeper of a sacred key that'll open doors up to the other side. The legend speaks of ancient ways in rhythm with the pulse of the land. So every year I travel here and I hang my broken dreams in its hand. And then I try to move in that sound. Keeping my roots in solid ground. In solid ground. Returning to the city lights with a heightened sense of purpose and renew. I bow my head to better days and I hold inside my heart this little jewel. The only thing we need to learn is written in the woodlands of the heart. You'll hear it if you listen for the gentle sound of falling snow. Falling snow.